Have you ever imagined that we could print human organs using 3D technology? We are living in an amazing technological era where 3D bioprinting has become a reality, not just a fantasy. How does this technology work? The process begins by collecting cells from the patient themselves, reducing the risk of rejection when transplanting organs. Then, a bioprinter is used to print them into a specific organ shape, such as a kidney or heart. These printers use biological materials like living tissues, making the printed organs closer to reality. But what are the benefits? Imagine not having to wait on long lists for organ transplants. This technology could reduce the number of deaths caused by organ shortages. It also provides a greater opportunity for patients who need urgent transplants. Although this technology is still in its early stages, it has made tremendous progress in recent years. Scientists have conducted successful experiments in printing parts of organs, like cardiac tissues. It may seem like science fiction, but we are getting closer step by step to the possibility of printing whole organs. 3D printing doesn't just mean organs. It can also be used to manufacture tissues for medical research. It's a revolution in the medical field, opening new horizons for treatment and healthcare. Will this technology solve the organ shortage problem in the near future? If you are excited to discover more amazing information, don't forget to activate the bell to receive all the latest updates.